Hey creative, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. Y'all, UV DTF stickers are making waves in the crafting community. So, of course, I ordered some. I ordered some from Pro World. We're going to go ahead and try these out and see what the fuss is all about. Of course, everything I use will be listed in the description box of this video. So if you like this video, you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure that bell notification is on so you don't miss any of my upcoming craft tutorials.
Okay, creative. So of course, the first thing we need for this project are some designs. My designs are coming from Creative Fabrica, and if you have the subscription, of course, you can download as many designs as you want for free. But if you don't have this subscription, I'll go ahead and leave a free trial link for you in the description box of this video, okay? So they have tons of like glass wraps. They have tons of everything on here. But I just searched Cute Ghost Halloween glass can wrap, and this is what I came up with. So I'm going to go ahead and download that, okay? They have tons, so just search like glass can wraps and you'll find tons and tons of options. So once you grab your design, and of course I'll have all my designs linked in the description box below this video, we're going to go ahead to proworldinc.com, okay? And right here under DTF, go all the way to the bottom where it says ColorPro UV DTF 3D Stickers. And we're going to hit Design Stickers. You can either drag and drop or upload. Just going to go ahead and drag and drop. And as you can see, the recommended file formats are SVG, PNG, JPEG, PDF, etc., etc. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop in this SVG of that ghost wrap. And right here, you're just going to use this grid to make sure your measurements are good, okay? Since this design was already like sized for a glass can wrap, I mean, honestly, it's really good to go. I measured my can and it's like 9.5 wide by 5 inches tall. And that looks, just about right on here. So I wouldn't do anything. And you can upload multiple images on this sheet. Okay, so your sheet is going to be 14.5 by 12. Okay, so you can upload, I guess, as many designs that can fit on here. And if you see in the beginning of my video, I was holding my sheet and it had 3 different designs printed on it. Okay, so once you have that, I mean, and here's a few different editing actions that you can do. You can copy, and then we can hit paste. So, oops, I grabbed both of them. Okay, see, so I'm able to fit like 3 of my designs on here. Good, and you see it has a transparent background. This scale isn't going to print, okay? Nothing is going to print but the image that you're uploading, okay? So we'll just hit the next step, order your quantity. Let me just get your price. So one sheet is about $13.92, doesn't equal tax or shipping or anything like that, okay? So that's how you could go ahead and grab your UV DTF sheets. And while you're over here, let me just back out of all of that. Make sure you go ahead and grab your glass cans as well. This is the one I'm using, and this frosted one as well. I grabbed a couple of each of those. And you don't even have to be just limited to these little glass cans. I mean, those are just really popular right now. But these UV DTF stickers really stick to such a variety of surfaces. I mean, you can even size them small enough for a shot glass. Use one of these. So, I mean, it can really stick to a variety of surfaces. So, you don't even have to be just limited. Okay? And so, once we have all of that, now we're going to go ahead and make our cup. So these are my stickers fresh out of the mail. Very vibrant and very pretty. Definitely a better quality than what I'd be able to do at home. And here are my glass cans. I like that they come in this box already. So they come in this box. They're wrapped in a bubble wrap and then they have another layer of plastic on them. So if you're selling these cups, you can definitely just go ahead. Once you put the stickers on them, go ahead and pop that right in the box and ship that off. And I needed something sturdy to kind of keep my tumbler in place while I was trying to put the sticker on it. So I'm using the base of my Cricut Easy Press. But then I saw on ProRail's website that they have a tumbler cradle. So if this is something that you're going to do pretty often, I highly suggest getting one of those tumbler cradles, okay? So I just wiped off my glass with an alcohol wipe and then I let it dry. And honestly, the application was so simple. The first one took me 5 minutes, the next one 3, and the last one I did only took 2 minutes, okay? You're just going to go ahead and peel the sticker off. You're going to lay it on there and use a squeegee. I used the combination of a squeegee and my hand to just, get the sticker off that backing. And you just want to make sure that it's free of air bubbles. And when I peeled it off, I just peeled it slightly at an angle. So now that you see how it's applied, let's talk a little bit about UV DTF. So what is UV DTF actually? So it stands for ultraviolet directive film. It combines like the traditional DTF printing process with UV curing to make high quality durable prints. So basically after printing, the wet ink is exposed to UV light. And this instantly hardens the ink, making it durable and resistant to the environment. So UV cured inks are highly resistant to fading, scratching, peeling. So this makes them suitable for indoor and outdoor use. And although I'm putting this on cups, you can make laptop stickers, phone case stickers, put it on mugs, or a bunch of any surface. I mean, I think pretty much any surface that a sticker can adhere to, this will adhere to. And since it can be used for like indoor, outdoor things, you can even make like car decals. I think it'd be really good for people who do like events because then you can like customize chargers, place cards, signs, things like that, Definitely be mindful though, hand wash only, not dishwasher safe. They say, not to use any heat applying this. So I think the heating cycle in dishwasher would ruin this. And definitely don't put it in the microwave either. So those would be a couple disclaimers that I would give out as far as this product goes. But yeah, go ahead and grab your transfer from ProWorld. And honestly, you guys, that is the video. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me which cup is your favorite down in the comments. And until next time, I'll see you later.